to Literacy Rwanda. Today we are learning the basics of Microsoft Word. By the end, you will be ready to create your first document. Opening Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word. We go to search, then we type Word, then press. After that, you will see this but we can start with the blank document to start with a fresh page where we can do our things, or we can type other things that we really need. Interface overview. Here is Word screen, Microsoft Word screen. As you see here, at the top we have the tabs like Insert, Home, Draw, File, Design, Layout, Differences, Mailings, Review, View, Developer, Help, and others. But below these tabs we have other features, other tools to be used. Those tools are called the ribbons. You see that each tab have its ribbons. The big white area is the document area where you will type. This big white area is where to type. Typing and editing text. How do we type and edit our text in Microsoft Word? To type, just click in a document area and start typing. When you click in document area, you start typing. For example, let me type this word. After typing these words, we can edit. After typing, we can edit. By the editing, you highlight or you select your text. After selecting, you can delete, you can do whatever you really want. This is the way of editing the text. For example, I can edit this text by deleting, for example, this Rwanda, by doing any other thing, by adding other things. This is how we edit our text. Formatting text. How do we format our text? To format text, go to the Home tab. Home tab. This is a Home tab. We see the many ribbons, many tools to be used. After that, for example, I can make text as a body. First, I select my text, and then I place this B. This is the body of my text. Italic. I can italicize my text by clicking here. See that it is an italic form. Or change the color, or I can change the color. I can change the color of my text by pressing here. Then let me use this color. In this, I can change the font. To change the font or the writings, I can go to this, and then I choose the font I really want. For example, let me use this font. You see that the font is really changed. Also, I can change the size. You see that the size is already changed. Yeah, many things. Using styles. How do you use styles in Microsoft Word? Styles makes formatting easy. Select your text. Select my text. After selecting my text, then go to Home. After going to Home tab, Styles, and choose the style to apply a pre-made format. I can choose the style that I really need. For example, here the style, this could be the style, this could be the style, this could be also the style. I can choose the style that I really need. These are the styles. Let me use this style. This is a new style that I formed. Adding bullets, points, and numbering. How do we add bullets, points, and numbers? To add bullet points and numbers, or to make a list of things. For example, in type things like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel. You see, this is the list, but I want to add bullets and numbering. To add bullets and numbering, first select your list. After selecting the list, you see here there is what we call bullets. I can choose the bullets that I really want. For example, I can choose this one. You see my list is bulleted. What about numbering? About numbering, also we select also. After selecting, we go to this part which is called numbering, then place here, then we choose the type of numbers to be used. For example, this one, you can choose this one. You see that this is the ways of making a list in Microsoft Word. Inserting images. How do we insert images in Microsoft Word? To add a picture, go to Insert. Then select an image from your computer. You see on the Insert, you can choose Picture. Then you select the image from this device. Choosing the image, they give you, let me also use this image, and then I insert. You see, this image is inserted. This image is inserted in Microsoft Word. Also, I can resize my image inside my image if it is really needed. Adding page numbers and headers or footers. How do we add page numbers in Microsoft Word? For example, let me just add another page. For example, Microsoft Word. Type this word only. This is the first page, you see, and this is the second page. How do we add the pages in Microsoft Word? To add a page in Microsoft Word, go to page numbers. You see, here there is what we call page numbers. And choose where you want number to appear, page number to appear. On the top, you see on the top there are those formats. On the bottom, there are those formats. On the page margins, those formats. I can use this one on the bottom. On the bottom, I can choose, for example, and choose this one. You see, after that, the pages are already appeared on my text or on my document. You see that this is the page 1 of 2, page 2 of 2. But what about headers and footers? Headers and footers. To add headers and footers, you can come here and press this header. And you can type here. For a header, you can type by this is my header. And what about footer? Footer becomes below of the page. On the page, you can also click here for the footers, and then I add what I really need. For example, I can add on 2024 in January. You see that there is header and the footer. This is header and footer. This is header and the footer. Yeah. This is how we add headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Saving your document. How do we save our document? Our Microsoft Word document. When you are done, save your work. When you are done, save your work. Click on File. Click on Save As. Then choose a location and file for your document. And choose this desktop, and then I choose the desktop is the location of my file, and then you can save. Here you have different forms, but here I want to save it as Microsoft Word document. Save. You see that this is the name of my document, Microsoft Word document. And I think that is now, the basics of Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.